Okay, number 3, we want to complete the sentence below. So this is prepping us for solving exponential equations. We have 2 raised to the x power is equal to 2 to the 3rd power. If this is true, then x must equal what? So the 2's are the same, then that means x equals 3. So that's what we want you to see here. X would be equal to 3. Okay, and then 4, we want you to approximate this number using a calculator. We're going to round to 3 decimal places, okay? So I'm going second quit back to the home screen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to type 13, and then we're going to raise it to 3.14. That's an approximation for pi. 3.14. Hit enter and round it to 3 decimal places. We get, let me move this over here, 3146.169. But because the 4th place is 5 or more, this 9 will round up to 10, which will carry over and round up here. So we will just get 0.17. 0.17. Now, one of the neat things about these graphing calculators, they will even round for you. I don't want to really teach you this because it can make you lazy, but if you go to mode, this option float right here tells me how many decimal places I want. And if you go over and say round to 3 and then you hit enter so it locks in, notice now the 3 is highlighted. If I go second and quit and just hit enter on this answer, it rounds it to 3 decimal places, 3146.170. All right, so I'm going to go back to mode and I'm going to take it off. I'm just going to go down to float and hit enter so that it just, I round it myself. Okay. All right, so the next one we're going to do 13 raised to 3.141. All right, so 13 raised 3.141. So we added 1 digit of pi. Rounded to 3, we would get 3154.249. Again, the 6 behind the 9. So if we round to 3, I'm rounding this one. I have to determine whether to round it by looking at this one. 6 will round up, round this 9 up to 10, which will carry over, so 0.25. And you can put the 0, but you don't really need it. All right, the third one, we add another digit. So 13, let's see, 13 raised to the 3.1415 power. All right, so we get 3158. Now when we round this number, 297, this is the 3rd place. The 5 will tell me to round that up to an 8, so we get 298. All right, and then the last one, we're going to do 13 raised to the pi, power of pi. So 13, get back over here, 13 raised, and then you see pi right here in yellow. I have to hit second and then that raise symbol, and that gives me pi. So then we get 3159. So you can kind of see it's just inching up as we add places. 3159.048. The 8 will not round up because of the 1. So 048. Okay, and that's how we just approximate with the calculator.